Staying consistent with your weight loss journey, overcoming setbacks. Welcome to our video on staying consistent with your weight loss efforts, even during setbacks. We all know that losing weight can be challenging, but with the right mindset and determination, you can achieve your goals. Today, we'll show you how to overcome setbacks and stay on track with your weight loss journey. 1. Facing setbacks. Setbacks are a natural part of any weight loss journey. It's essential to understand that progress isn't always linear. Sometimes, you might face challenges and hit plateaus. But remember, it's all part of the process. 2. Embrace the journey. Take a moment to look back on how far you've come. Celebrate your successes and the positive changes you've made in your lifestyle. Embrace the journey, and remember that every small step counts. 3. Set realistic goals. Goals are essential, but they must be realistic and attainable. Break down your long-term goal into smaller milestones. By doing so, you'll create a sense of accomplishment with each achievement, which will keep you motivated and focused. 4. Seek support. Don't go through this journey alone. Seek support from friends, family, or even online communities. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide the motivation and accountability you need to stay consistent. 5. Learn from setbacks. Look at setbacks as learning opportunities. Analyze what might have led to this setback, such as emotional triggers or lack of planning. Use this knowledge to make better decisions in the future and develop healthy coping mechanisms. 6. Stay positive. Remember, staying positive is crucial. Weight loss journeys are challenging, and negative thoughts can hinder progress. Instead, focus on the positive changes you're making and the healthier habits you're building. 7. Find your motivation. Keep your motivation front and center. Whether it's improving your health, boosting your confidence, or setting an example for your loved ones, knowing why you started this journey will reignite your determination. 8. Never give up. Remember, setbacks are temporary, but the rewards of perseverance are long-lasting. No matter how many times you stumble, never give up. Keep going, and you'll eventually achieve the results you desire. Congratulations on reaching your weight loss goal. By staying consistent, even during setbacks, you've proven that with dedication and resilience, anything is possible. Your journey doesn't end here. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is an ongoing commitment. Keep up the good work, and remember, you have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to,